Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to move a board to another account on monday.com. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to monday.com. Once you're on the homepage, go ahead and log in with your credentials to access your workspace. This will take you to your main monday.com dashboard where all your boards and projects are located. Now look towards the upper right corner of your screen where you'll find your profile icon. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with several options. From this menu, select Administration. This takes you to the Administrative Settings area where you have access to advanced features and account management tools that regular workspace views don't show. Once you're in the Administration section, direct your attention to the left sidebar. You'll see various administrative options listed there. Click on Cross-Account Copier. This is the specific feature that allows you to transfer boards between different monday.com accounts, making it possible to share entire workspaces with other users or organizations without having to manually recreate everything from scratch. In the Cross-Account Copier interface, you'll see your workspace structure displayed. Look through the folders and locate the specific folder you want to send to the other account. Click on that folder to select it. This marks it as the content that will be transferred, ensuring that all the boards, items, and data within that folder are included in the move. Next, you'll see a field labeled Destination Account. This is where you specify who will receive the board. Type in either the email address or the username of the target account where you want the board to be moved. Make sure you enter this information accurately, as this determines where your board will end up. The system uses this information to identify the receiving account and prepare the transfer. After you've entered the destination account details, click Continue. This initiates the transfer process, and monday.com will begin moving your selected folder to the specified account. Depending on the size of the board and the amount of data it contains, this might take a moment to complete, so just give it a few seconds to process everything. And that's it. You've successfully moved a board to another account on monday.com. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.